Hello world. In this quick tech trick, we are going to achieve two things at once. We will see how we can stop the computer from going in sleep mode and how we can prevent the present status on tools like Microsoft Teams and Skype to change automatically to away after some idle time. Now you'll say that you can control the sleep mode on your computer, but usually this setting is restricted on your office or school computers. It can be annoying to find your computer asleep when you come back to it after a short break. Similarly, if you are using tools like Microsoft Teams or Skype and you are away from your computer, the status is automatically changed from green to yellow. This means your boss knows that you are not at your desk. So, to keep your boss guessing, how about tricking the computer into thinking that you are at your desk? The simplest way is to simulate a key press at regular interval so that your computer doesn't go to sleep mode or your status is not changed in Teams or Skype. You can download many tools online to achieve this workaround, but I am going to show you how you can do this on your own without risking any dodgy software from internet. Before we begin, make sure that you have enabled the windows to show the file extensions. You can do this by selecting the file name extension checkbox from view menu option in Windows Explorer. Now let's create the script which will simulate a simple keystroke every minute. Create a file on the desktop and name it as No Sleep. Remember, you need to change the txt extension to VBS. VBS stands for Visual Basic Script. Right click on the file and click Edit so that you can add the script. You can find the link to the script in the description below. Copy paste the text and save the file. So the script is ready. You only have to double click on it to run it. Put time in minutes you want to keep the system awake and you are all set. And just to be little creative, change the status on Teams to busy or do not disturb so that in case you get a message while you are away, you can always say that you didn't respond because you were, well, busy. In case you want to work while the script is still running, go ahead. The script won't hamper your work in any way. As soon as the script timer is up, you will get a notification. Hope this little trick will help you. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video and subscribe my channel for more quick tech tricks. Bye for now.